As national chairman of the NDC, I wish to state unequivocally, categorically, and without ambiguity that the NDC has no intentions, now or in the future, of amending its parliamentary majority to pursue or support any amendment to the 1992 Constitution and seek to extend or alter the two-term presidential limit. The NDC will not sponsor, support, entertain, or tolerate any move to amend the presidential term limit for any individual, including His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Signed, Johnson Aseidu Nketiah, National Chairman. Third-term agenda at my man John Dramani Mahama Ababaye and Komo our manufacturing and I'm so for we cry Asha say you will see Yame person was some of my Ghana and means your man John Dramani Mahama and was signed in the bias or the never some of my Ghana and no man penina you who say what we were sign at was so maybe nebusia we no aqua and Komoya air cost media so and we say man John Dramani Mahama eba bonte betre say and ya dear say we sign akobi na so say bekaya majority leader Hassan Ayarega and I will better say, oh, Sekoba, say I was a constitution, ye won't be na ye reforms be a woman, umutimi at the support, say your man penny John Roman Mahama, ever say I could be married and was wedding. Your part, the Akotokono, Yana Bruins, one more NDC for the woman that didn't buy on Betanachi, ama one more assign Edinako. Nebusiame no eka say crater be a fee, NDC for Akachi Edia by Johnson, a sibling Nketiah no, and a chairman general Edema NDC Amunyokunensa, and the Chesa Crata Yasia walk and some Edia Fanye, a honorable Mahama. Kaye edefa NDC for standard eba ne say certain agenda no kwakuku unity a won betimi aye edema e mampeni John Dramani Mahama nebusia and some no de wakuche ne ye pa na paragraph no be ye enum ne ensem bia was state ewa ha watch say eno eye NDC for stand ewa third-term agenda no eso ye be consenum na makenkan e de amamo sene ensem no esiti eye too much gh message say ubemia subscribe no so e de achama ya no akai say wo de bell no ebe kan ho sa no upload ne to the first person ya wonsa ebedi kan aka intene busia say yekomudi a krata no wo logo no eya eye chineye no e da so fefefe enena no ma no etua so National Democratic Congress National Secretariat womo ena edekate eba bonte or say for immediate release krata no eba bonte 11th December 2025 na ebusuya say ena womo kan statement by the National Democratic Congress NDC on a third presidential term. The National Democratic Congress NDC has taken notice of recent public discussion during remarks attributed to the majority leader in Parliament, Honorable Mahama Ayarega, concerning the possibility of a constitutional amendment to allow His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to contest for a third presidential term. Now let's say Yera Johnson Aseidu Nketiah was say NDC for no womu ehu se ensem bi na media no so ne nyina efi Honorable Mahama Ayarega ho na eba ya wo kire se ekoba ne se constitutional amendment bi ebekoso ama ye mampeni John Dramani Mahama asan akobi ma womu ebeta na chi enum na Johnson Aseidu Nketiah esi ne sei e de akire Ghana for. As national chairman of the NDC, I wish to state unequivocally, categorically, and without ambiguity that the NDC has no intentions, now or in the future, of amending its parliamentary majority to pursue or support any amendment to the 1992 Constitution and seek to extend or alter the two-term presidential limit. What I say, or no say NDC national chairman no, what person what can he pray and you pray for? And the Ghana for say, woman's mama Mahama Ayarega baby ya, woman's man ne, woman's man china, woman's man chinechi, woman's man yeni hodie. Say no. Enfanensa enkonkwoshe constitution amendment a 1992 constitution no me de bo man ho bra no enfanensa enkonkwoshe ase se ne ebeye na wo betimi I extend 2 terms na yenim se Ghana ha yeto aba eyempre no se obedi atom anase obekwasan aba no wo monko na wo monko sesa no se da bi wo monsuma no kwan bia so enu nti wo se the position of the NDC on this matter is firm and long-standing. 1. The NDC is fully committed to Ghana constitutional two-term limit, which has guided our democracy since 1992. 2. It was the NDC that birthed and championed the 1992 Constitution, and it was under our leadership that the presidential term was capped at 2. This was done deliberately to safeguard national stability, prevent the abuse of executive authority, and protect the integrity of our governance system. 3. Any attempt to remove or distort this important pillar of our constitutional architecture would be nothing short of dangerous. A third-term amendment will introduce needless tension, invite instability, and undermine the peace Ghana has enjoyed under the Fourth Republic. A peace built on a constitutional foundation laid by the NDC itself. Enti when was omugina sie baako ene say womo NDC fo no womo ye committed womo de mu nyina eta constitution na eche say eye 2 terms pe na wobetimi akọ 1992 constitution na no na ye di ebu wo mai eho ebra no wo se eye 2 terms enti womo NDC fo no womo nye krofoforo so nipa womo ye Ghana nipa enti womo so support sa de enti enya ade se womo be wo se no kwasem krampo no se eye womo NDC fo na wo sa 2 term no na ne enti a womo ye ne sa ne se womo pese womo de bo Ghana sumdwe ho ban ne di kan afei Ghana ese ebeye na emu badwo na afei wo bi emfa tumi a wenya no emma mbetieti omanfo ne fa hodie so eno eka ho bi na afei kabimami ka bia mamu nso a Ghana ya gye atomu no ebetimi aye adwuma na aboa amasa enhyehyɛ no akoso no enu nti na NDC fo no eje saa 2 term no editumu enti wo se enya ade se wo mbe support ne toso miensa wo se wo bia wo be na adwene ana bia be adwene se eba besesa saa fapem ya 1992 constitution no ede aba se eye 2 term no wo se ede hoye hu hia ene beba wo manim afei wo menya somdwa ne boden ya yesom a yakura ne feed militantin besi ne no eho ebetimi aka enu nti enya ade se Ghana saa Fourth Republic ya yewomi ya build asumdwe ya ma asumdwe hini womo NDC fo ene ebe na mo nsa so amasa asumdwe ne ho akoka wo se da bida enya ade a ebebem wo se let it therefore be made abundantly clear the NDC will not sponsor, support, entertain or tolerate any move to amend the presidential term limits for any individual, including His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Was say womo NDC fo womo mfuaso womo nta obi achi womo njiji obi aso empo se eye mampeni John Dramani Mahama emfa ho ene adwuma ba be no Ghana ha se wo besan ato aso akobiem e fe se eye tetem ne de enya ade se womo NDC fo ombeso aso e de ama mampeni John Dramani Mahama. President Mahama has repeatedly demonstrated his respect for the constitution and the democratic traditions of our nation. The party urges the public to disregard any rumors suggesting otherwise. Our focus remains on governance reforms, economic recovery, national unity, and strengthening democratic institutions, not on tampering with term limits. The NDC remains committed to protecting the very constitution we authored in the interest of Ghana's continued peace, stability, and democratic progress. Signed, Johnson Aseidu Nketiah, National Chairman. Enti wo kire se ye mampeni John Dramani Mahama kwa wono wo ye obi a eba ne se constitution ya yedi ebu wo men ya wo se wo de buo soro kokra e de ma constitution no enu nti enya ade se wo no krampo ebe ye bibisa enti wo mu se party no wo mu e ka kire amansa nyina se womo emmo sansam no entungu sansam no eye rodo rada asem anukure bia enim na womo se NDC for the sabre womo focus no eye se womo beboa ama amamuo no akoso womo de enhyehyɛ pa begu akwan mu ama amamuo no akoso afei ye economy ya asai ayemtia pansam no womo ehwe se womo besan ahye mu kinabi ma afei wo manyin kabom ya manyin se ye wo nkabom no ene ade ne no na womo ehwe na afei womo ahwe se ye democratic system kabimami kabi no womo behye mu din womo behye mu na amamu ayre pampe no ene ade esi wo mani so a wo mo de eba ba ya adwuma na nyese wo mo ba betoa presidential term limit bi so bia e de ama wo mo enti se wo mo NDC for de wo mo ehye bo se o manya sumdwe ene wo man ama mra na yedi bu wo man no ho bra no eno na wo mo behwe se ebetu mpon na akonanim ena wo wie no de signature kama eto ase National Chairman Johnson Aseidu Nketiah enti abusunya wei ene krata aba efi NDC for akachia Chairman General Kasa Ensa ene hyase ya wode se sa rumors na monten so se tetem agenda no yemontungu na nya ade se eba so ne abaso chena na we na Ghana fo bi se sa krata we kra ama enkebe omo fi se ono Johnson Aseidu Nketiah ya wo National Chairman edema NDC amanyokun ene ni so ade hunu se wono so eba bepre se NDC fo enye ne flag bearer na womra mepi Ghana bengwa ni bi se koba ne se tetem agenda iko unity no mkoji tum dia na just wono ne ambition na se ne so ade hunu academy enya ade obetimi enzanie se woti asi wompene so ema na ne so de hunu no enka da mu da enunti ena ode sa krata yi abana so bi so ebo na baso se ampa wa kire se wo ye pani a wo fie na pani so ka se wi a ana pani dware wi a na ensu asa enti chere se ampa wo ye penya wo dware nti sa brede ye hwese sa atem agenda de yenti free NDC communicated bia and officer Johnson Aseidu Nketiah ya wo ye chairman general no abekasa wo chere se eyade aganafo ye montum se NDC for the woman sa eni sa de mebusa mesese won so obeja wo comment comment section ho e de am all the social media handles no too much gh o subscribe like no wa share na for so eni bia share that gold enemy di macro